Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to flip an image on hover using JavaScript. As you can see, I got an image here. Now let's take a mouse over this image. So you can see it got flipped horizontally. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Add a script file at the bottom. It will be script.js. Here we only need an image element. Remove this attribute. Source will be image.jpg. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select image element. Give it a height of 400 pixels. Width will be same, 400. Display will be block. Margin will be 0 and auto. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Border radius will be 5 pixels. To have a slight animation effect, we'll use transition property. So transition will be transform, 0.5 second, ease. Create a class here of flip. We will use this class in the JavaScript file to flip the image. So here we'll utilize the property transform, and to flip it horizontally we'll use scale x function and we'll pass -1 to it. Now save it, open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Let's work on the JavaScript file. Create script.js here. Select the image element. We'll select it by the tag, which is img. Now here we'll utilize two events. The first event will be mouse over and the second will be mouse out. So let's add these event listeners to the image element. Mouse over. So when I will take my mouse over the image, I would like to add a class using the class list property to this image element, and that class will be flip. Now copy it and paste it here. The second event is mouse out. So when I'll take my mouse off, I'll remove this class. So that's all what you need to flip an image horizontally using JavaScript. Now save it, go to browser. Now take your mouse over the image. You can see it got flipped horizontally. In a similar way, if you want to flip it vertically, instead of scale X, you can use scale Y here. Save it, go to browser. Now take your mouse over the image. You can see it got flipped vertically. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.